Now I will discuss about the solution of problem 11 from chapter 27 book survey. Problem 11 is that a 0.9 volt potential difference is maintained across the 1.5 meter length of tungsten wire that has cross section area. This and what is the current in wire? Okay, the two things is given. The one is potential difference that is 0.9 volt, and the second is across the okay across the length. Length is maintain the length. Length is 1.5 meter, and wire is this is important. Okay, the tungsten wire and the cross section area is 0.6 10 raised to power minus 3 millimeter, and that's why 3 square because this is area, so area will be 0.6 10 raised to power minus 6. Okay, uh, what is the current in the wire? Okay, potential difference is given. Okay, as we know that current is always equal to as we know that we have to find actually the as we know that delta sorry as we know that the potential difference as we know that mean delta phi is always equal to IR, and we know that R is always equal to rho L over A. Okay, uh, so delta phi will be equal to I is given. I is uh, sorry. We have to find the I. So delta V is given. So we have to find I. That mean delta phi multiply by A over rho and L. Always where rho is for tungsten, rho is 5 point. So where rho, which is resistivity, that is for tungsten, that will be equal to 5.6. That is not given, but that may be given at formula sheet. 5.6 10 raised to power minus 8 uh, meter, not meter. Uh, this is ohm meter. Okay, so that will be equal to ohm. Unit will be ohm meter. Okay, so by putting all the value, delta phi is given that is 0 0.9 volt, and A is uh, A. I don't know why there is a problem. A is sorry, there was a problem. I don't know why the tablet is creating such a problem today. 0.9, phi is 0.9, and A is 0. 6 10 raised to 10 raised to power minus 6 because that was 2.6 millimeter. Okay, square. And rho is 5.6 10 raised to power minus 8. And L length is also given. L is where L is mentioned. L is 1.5 meter. 1.5 meter. So by calculating all these, that will be 6.43 ampere. So that will be the answer. So this will be the answer. That will be what is, and that is the current. Okay. Uh, if you have any question, please don't hesitate to put question at the comment box.